Welcome back class 6 students. We are in the third video of the decimal chapter. So in the previous video we saw about equivalent decimals, like and unlike decimals, and how to convert unlike into like decimals. So let us start with our today's class. In today's class we will be seeing of comparing of decimals, ascending order of decimals and descending order of decimal, that is comparing and ordering of decimals. Let us begin our class now. Comparing of decimals. We are going to compare the given two numbers and find whether they are equal, which number is greater or which number is smaller. So we are going to see a few steps for comparing of decimals. The decimal with the greatest whole number is the greatest decimal number. First you have to compare the whole number, and the decimal with the greatest whole number is the greatest decimal number. If the whole numbers of two decimal are equal, then we have to compare with the tenths place, that is the place next to the decimal point. If the tens place are also equal, we need to compare the hundredths place, that is the second place from the decimal point, and we have to keep on comparing to the right till we get different digits. Let us see with an example. 42.875 and 423.95. Here let us compare the whole numbers first, 42 and 423. 42 is smaller when compared to 423. So the decimal number 42.825 is lesser than 423.95. Let us see one more example, 9.25 and 9.70. Here the whole numbers are the same. So what we do, we compare the next place, that is the tens place, the place next to the decimal point. It is 2 here and it is 7 here. So the digits are different, and we compare 2 is lesser than 7. So 9.25 is less than 9.70. So this way we are comparing the given decimal numbers. Next we are going to see ascending order of decimals. We are going to arrange the given decimal numbers in ascending order. So we have 6.035, 6.53, 6.005 and 6.359. They are all unlike decimal. So before arranging in ascending order, we need to convert them into like decimal. How can we convert the unlike decimal into like decimal? By adding zeros. So what is the maximum number of places? 3. 3 is the maximum number of decimal places. So we should make all the numbers having the decimal place 3 decimal places. So I make 6.035, it is as it is, and 6.53 I write it as 6.530. 6.005 is written as 6.005 as it is, and 6.359 it is written as 6.359. Now we have the decimal numbers. They are all like decimal numbers. Now we are going to compare. So what is the steps that we have seen for comparing the ascending order or comparing the any numbers? We see the whole numbers. If the whole numbers are same, we move to the 10th place. If the 10th place are all same, move to the hundreds, and we keep on moving till we get the different digits. So I see the whole numbers. The whole numbers are all same. So I am looking for the 10th place. 0, 0. Here you have 5 and here you have 3. So these two numbers have 0 in their 10th place. So I am comparing only these two numbers, 6.035 and 6.005. So I am comparing the hundredths place now. Since the 10th place are same, 0 and 0, I am comparing the hundredth place. Here in this I have 3 in the hundredth place and I have 0 in the hundredth place. So which is smaller? Ascending order means arranging the number from small to big. So which is smaller? 0 is smaller. So 6.005 should be the first number in the ascending order. 6.005. And the next number will be 6.035. 6.035. Now we are going to compare these two numbers and see which is smaller. And that number comes next in the ascending order. 6.530 and 6.359. See the 10th place, you have 5 here and you have 3 here. 3 is smaller than 5. So the next number in the decimal in the ascending order is 6.359 and the last number in the ascending order is 6.530. So I have arranged the given numbers in the ascending order. Same way as we did for ascending order, we are going to arrange the given numbers in the descending order. Descending order means arranging the number from big to small. Okay. Now the given numbers, you have to first check whether they are like decimal. No, they are not like decimal. They are unlike decimal. So we add a 0 and make it at the end of the decimal place and make them all like decimals. So you see now all the numbers are having two decimal places. Next, we are going to arrange them in the descending order. Descending order is arranging from big to small. Check the whole numbers. First, 218, 281, 281 and 218. So 281 is the greatest. You have two numbers, two decimal numbers with the whole number part 281. So we need to check the 10th place. So I am checking the 10th place. Here it is 8 and here also it is 8. So I check the 100th place. Here I have 2 and here I have 1. So this number is greater than this number. 281.82 is greater than 281.81. So what number should come first in the descending order? 281.82. So that number is written first in the descending order. And then 281.81 comes next in the descending order. We are left with two more numbers. Both are having the whole numbers same, 218 and 218. So what we need to do? We need to compare the 10th place. 8 here and 9 here. So 8 in here in the 10th place and 9 here in the 10th place. So 9 is greater. The number 218.90 is greater than 218.81. So 218.90 comes next in the descending order and last 218.81. So we have arranged the given numbers in descending order. So children, in this video we saw the comparing of decimal numbers and arranging the decimal numbers in ascending order and descending order. We will continue with the next topics in the next video. Thank you, students.